How to use outfit codes on Roblox. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Safari or any of the web browser and move into the site roblox.com. Tap on Continue in browser. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to Marketplace. Once you are in here, head over to any of the product for now. Let me head over to this one. Click on it. It will open up this page. Now what you want to do is tap on this roblox.com at the bottom. Beside the catalog, the code will be visible to you. You have to remove this code. And then in this section, enter the new outfit code that you have. Once you have entered, tap on Go. And there you go. The product will be visible to you. If you want to buy this product, then simply tap on Buy and make the payment of it. So that's it, and this is how you can use the outfit code on Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.